My name is Misty He. I work for the Soto Main Street District. Soto Main Street District is one of 12 nonprofit organizations affiliated with the City of Orlando. We work in conjunction with the city to help drive economic revitalization here in the downtown Orlando area. We are independent of the City of Orlando, but work in partnership with them to help small businesses, our community thrive and progress, and to make things a little bit easier for new business owners to open and to create community culture on a local level. So when COVID first started to come our way, working in a small community, working in economic development, us, like many others, the businesses that I represent experienced the initial impact that everyone across the country was feeling. It was a time of great uncertainty, not just for me and my small organization, but for the larger community that we represent, with small businesses who were experiencing nothing that they could ever predict or know, closures, supply chain interruptions, not knowing what their health outlook would look like, that of their staff, their family members, their loved ones. The actual real closures combined with the extended delays, interruptions, inability to operate really affected our community both on a macro level, but also on a micro level. In this little microcosm that we operate in, people worrying about whether or not they would be able to keep their doors open, whether they would be able to keep their homes, feed their children, procure health care, take care of their loved ones. It was a time that was very scary for many of us, and in many uncertain ways and many real ways. For us, the refund that we got would maybe not look important to some people. But for our organization that operated in the negative for several years as a direct result of COVID, it definitely depleted some of our reserves, some of our resources. And being able to take the funds that we have now received and reinvest them back into our organization means that as a small nonprofit, we have an outlook that we're going to still be here a few years from now. That may not have been the case without this funding. This positions us to be able to do more and do better.